If Photoshop keeps showing the error "could not save," don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can save your work without losing your edits. This problem can happen for a few different reasons, including a damaged file, a scratch disk that's full, a file size limit, a graphics processor issue, or even corrupted Photoshop preferences. The good news is that most of these can be fixed in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photoshop fixes and beginner-friendly tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, try the simplest fix. Save the file as a copy. Go up to File, then choose Save As. Instead of trying to overwrite the same file, save it with a new name or choose a different format like JPEG or TIFF. This forces Photoshop to create a fresh file, which can bypass a save error caused by the current document state. If the file saves successfully as a copy, that tells you the issue may be with the original PSD rather than Photoshop itself. Next, if saving still fails, try hiding the layers. Sometimes a specific layer, group, or adjustment can trigger a save problem, especially in larger projects. To test this, put your layers into a single group if needed, then click the eye icon to hide them. Save the file while the layers are hidden, then reopen the document and turn the layers back on. This may sound unusual, but it can help confirm whether one of the visible layers is causing the conflict. Now let's check your graphics processor settings. In some cases, Photoshop's GPU acceleration can interfere with saving or create random errors. On Windows, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance. On Mac, go to Photoshop, then Settings, then Performance. Find the option called Use Graphics Processor and uncheck it. After that, restart Photoshop completely and try saving again. If the error disappears, the graphics processor was likely the cause. If you're still getting the message, the next thing to check is your scratch disk. Photoshop needs a lot of temporary space to process large files, and if the drive it uses as a scratch disk is nearly full, saving can fail. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then Scratch Disks to see which drive Photoshop is using. Make sure that drive has at least 20 to 30 gigabytes of free space. If it doesn't, delete unnecessary files, clear storage, or choose a different drive with more available space. This one fix alone solves the error for many people. Another common cause is file size. Standard PSD files have a size limit, and if your project is too large or has too many layers, Photoshop may refuse to save it. If your document is huge, go to File, then Save As, and change the format to Large Document Format, also known as PSB. You can also save it as a flattened TIFF if that works better for your workflow. This is especially useful for very large projects with hundreds of layers, smart objects, or high-resolution assets. If none of that works, it may be time to reset Photoshop preferences. A corrupted preferences file can cause strange issues, including save errors that don't make much sense. Close Photoshop completely, then hold Shift, Control, and Alt on Windows while launching the app. If you're on Mac, use the equivalent shortcut while opening Photoshop. When prompted, confirm that you want to delete the settings file. Photoshop will recreate a fresh preferences file, which often clears up hidden bugs and unstable settings. So to recap, if you see Photoshop error "could not save," start by saving as a copy, then hide the layers, disable the graphics processor, free up your scratch disk, check for file size limits, and finally, reset your preferences if needed. One of these steps usually solves the issue. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Photoshop troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.